Okay, and also along with the, we're going to do replacing the toilets on the Blue Sky, and right now we're planning to go with the Raritan Elegance toilet. And so since the first one came in today, figured we'd do a unboxing of it and show everybody what comes in the basic initial toilet kit. It's stapled down, so try not to impale yourself with these wonderful staples and everything. But it certainly comes well packed.
Jazz.
Giving fun, Jazz? Let's see. Oh, and it comes upside down too. So we have smart toilet control. We chose the smart toilet control, so you have like 4 different options. You want to take a shot down in there. So you have the toilet. This is the entire macerator assembly and whatnot, already pre-assembled and everything with obviously your wires and water input and toilet output basically, which is where all the wonderful stuff goes. And then you have the seat and a mounting bracket there, which you just bolt to the floor and whatnot. So,
Let me see the top of that box. No, the other side. Okay.
okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull this. I think this guy will come out. We'll take a quick look at him. Ugh. Yep. So, oop, look out, Jazz. There's that puppy. So there's what the Raritan Elegance toilet looks like. And this is, I think we purchased this as a tall model, I believe.
That doesn't look very tall.
Huh?
That doesn't look very tall.
No? Oh, where's a tape measure? I'll measure it. See if we got the right one. Good. Here's the tape measure. I think the correct one was 14 inches. Yeah, 14 and a half. It's the tall one. Okay, you can go ahead. I think that's pretty much what comes with it.